Welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to stop receiving email notifications from the Adidas app. If you've been getting newsletters or promotional emails you don't want, this video will guide you through the process quickly and easily. First, open the Adidas app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top right. Then, click on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Notifications section. Once you locate Notifications, tap on it. Next, find the option for Email Newsletters and simply turn it off. This will stop all marketing and promotional emails from being sent to your inbox. Finally, exit the settings and your changes will be saved automatically. You have now successfully disabled email notifications from the Adidas app. This process is quick and ensures you only get the notifications you truly want. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.